Hey guys, welcome back. Got two packages in the mail in the last couple days. Both are from Pinetree. They were having a sale about a week or so ago. So I went ahead, I said, what the heck? I'm going to order some garlic. I wasn't sure if I should go ahead and plant this year or not, just on the off chance we do happen to move in the spring or summer. But I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and order it. I think it was 40% off. Let's have a look. I have other things in the packages as well, including seeds and maybe a couple containers to plant seeds in. Today's Monday. You can see by looking outside, the trees are just stunning right now, full of color. They are starting to lose their leaves, which is making a lot of work for me. I did spend the weekend again outside doing a lot of projects. Yeah, but not today, not this Monday. I don't know if you noticed my sweatshirt. I'll put a picture here. I'm gonna start wearing this every Monday because some Mondays are just really rough, right? But at least we get to open packages. I love getting mail, even if it's mail that I ordered for myself. So how was your Halloween? It was good here. I'm just showing you Tonto's little cookies I got him for Halloween. He shared them with our neighbor's dog, Pepper. She really liked them too. Had a lot of family out, made some chili, some little mummy pigs in a blanket. It was a good, calm day, not too much of a hassle. Not too many trick-or-treaters this year. So let's open the big package first, because I know it's in the small package because I can smell it. It's garlic. Okay, so let's see what we got. I think what happened is I needed to spend a certain amount to get free shipping. So I had some stuff on my wish list and or in my cart. So I went ahead and got a few things. And one of the things I've been wanting to try are these trays. Now they're not super duper hefty duty plastic like say Bootstrap Farmer or Epic Gardening. I knew that going into it. They're just little shallow trays that I think would be so fun just to start some quick germinating items. I'm thinking, you know, if it's spring, summer, I want as a round of marigolds. Just have this full of soil, put in some seeds. As soon as they germinate, get a little, little growth on them, just pop them out and go plant them somewhere. I'm thinking maybe this could be a quick pea germination station. I think there could be some fun, useful seeds to start in these. I don't know what all those hair things are. I think it's just plastic. It's kind of weird, right? Yeah, I think it's just plastic. They are very flimsy. I'm not sure how long these will last. This might just be a fun short-term experiment for me, but I got 3. Just in case I loved them. The reviews were really, really good. And people said they loved them and wish they had ordered more. So I'm like, well, I'll start with 3, see how it goes. I really don't need any seed starting stuff. I don't need trays. I don't need cells. But I always wanted to try these. So, all right, let's see what kind of seeds we got. I did get a few seeds. I'm about out of sugar snap peas. So I got Spring Blush and Sugar Sprint. I've grown this one before and it's really gorgeous. Has a beautiful flower. I should probably put my glasses on. Confetti cilantro. I'd never heard of that before. It sounded super interesting. Yeah, I really should put my glasses on. This could get tricky. Golden Acre cabbage. I was thinking about starting this maybe mid-January, February, early for spring. And I have grown Rainbow Treasure strawberry before. It is stunning. It is so pretty. Well, the flower is stunning. It's like a pink color, nice pretty pink. I relocated those out front, the ones I started before. And yeah, something ate them. But it's a beautiful flower. Maybe I'll keep them in the backyard where my deer don't usually, knock on wood, roam, although they have this summer. A midnight snack tomato. I thought that looked so pretty. Definitely this summer coming up, I'm not going to grow 3 golden cherry tomatoes. That was just way too much. I need more variety. Got some mustard, and I'm going to be cover cropping with mustard this winter because I got root knot nematode for the first time in one of my tomato beds. And the mustard helps with that. But you got to let it, really grow and get established into spring and start to flower. And then kind of work it into your soil. Now, I don't have my glasses on. I think that's POL or POIBIG. I think. It's really hard when you get old and you need glasses. And I think that, yeah, coral fountain. I have grown the other one before, the Love Lies Bleeding, and that is really stunning and pretty. And I thought this looked pretty. I'm noticing that Pinetree has new packaging. I really think it's pretty. I really like this packaging. It's so pretty. Now, I do prefer pictures. I do. On my packages, but that's okay. Golden beets, I've had these before. I prefer those. All right, here's another one I'm having trouble reading without my glasses. It is maybe Korist, I think. Kohlrabi. I love kohlrabi. That might be a spring thing. Move it in, move it out, see if I can read it. I think it says Eleanor, and it's a rutabaga. I can read the rutabaga part. It's just when the letters are really fine and light. Some Kentucky blue pole beans. This is something for my wish list. I have been wanting to try this for so long. I have grown, which one? Kentucky Wonder? Is that it? I think that this is like a cross with two, if I'm not mistaken. But it's not a flat bean like the other Kentucky bean I've grown before. I don't prefer the pole beans that have the long flat bean. I like more of the round slender bean. And I'm hopeful that that is what that is. Just some dwarf straw flowers. Straw flowers, one of my favorite. Some more dill. It's supposed to be very compact. Sometimes dill can get huge. I usually just grow it here on the back deck because it can take some shade. And this is smaller, which would be beneficial to me. Love Corsican mint. I have a bunch of it growing on the deck right now, but I thought, well, I might as well go ahead and get some more seeds because they were reasonable for that variety. And who knows when I'll place another order. Zebrina, one of my favorite flowers. I love this plant, and somehow over the years, I guess it's a tender perennial, it's kind of died off. So I need to start some more seeds. Some Joe Pye weed. I have some seeds, but maybe not the basic Joe Pye weed. I'm going to have to look into that. Some more okra, jambalaya, and some valerian, which was also on my wish list. I've been meaning to start some of this and grow it. All right, let me get the other package and we will look at that garlic and see if it works. It looks pretty good. Here where I'm located, usually we'll plant garlic after the beginning of November into November. We have not had our first frost. I'm waiting. I'm going to treat next Monday, the 10th, as if it's our first frost. But we need at least 1 or 2 light frost before we plant garlic here. Otherwise, it really puts on too much growth going into winter. So let me get the garlic and hopefully it looks great. And here we go. I'm going to put on the screen if it was 40% off when I bought it. I think it was. I got 2 different varieties and I got 2 bags of one. They had pretty good reviews. So I've got 2 of this one. They're all hard neck, which I think would be best here for overwinter. And maybe store a little bit better for me. Yeah, so I only got 1 of this variety. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, guys. I still don't have my glasses on. So all the letters are kind of jumbling there a little bit. But yeah, so I got this, 1 of these, and 2 of these. And I think we should pop them open. Oh, this one's already ripped open. Oh, well, that doesn't look half bad. That's pretty. I like the variegated pink there on the edges. Oh, that's pretty. A little small. That one's not as pretty though. This one's kind of more purpley. Let me have a sniff. Doesn't have a super strong odor at this point. So probably I will plant these sometime mid next week, maybe the next week after, maybe the next Monday after our first frost, if we get a first frost. We're supposed to get down to 31 next Monday. So I'm hopeful that we'll be planting my garlic in the next, let's just say 2 weeks to be realistic. Hey, these look okay. I don't see any soft spots or any sprouting. Very mild scent. I'm not getting a bunch of odor with that one, that variety. So let's try this guy real quick. Now these are smaller, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that doesn't seem to have but maybe 4 cloves in it. Maybe this variety is just on the smaller side. I do feel like that's ringing a bell. Maybe one of them was more of a petite variety. This one looks heftier. It's a little bit better, but you can see the cloves are really huge. Honestly, that might be a good thing because I do not like to peel cloves. It's kind of one of those things I really don't like doing, just like husking corn. I don't like to do that either. Yeah, this is big cloves, but not very many. This does have some ripping already. Yeah, so I'm going to wait. Maybe in about a week or so, I'll sit down watching TV one night, go ahead and separate all these out, get them ready. And then, you know, after we get that cold period, we'll just say first frost next Monday, we will get these guys in the ground, and maybe I'll make a video, maybe not. But I'm glad you were here today, and I hope you're having a great Monday. I've got a busy week ahead. I might have a couple more videos posted if I can get myself motivated. We had rain all night last night, and I did put down some winter rye as a grass cover crop in my actual yard for winter. Hopeful it takes. I've been watering it the last 3 days, and then we got that rain last night, and I'm worried my seeds just got swept away. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hope you're having a great week. Bye.